In this video we'll be assembling the hardtop lifting frame. It's got 12 parts and requires no tools to assemble. Well done, engineers. Insert one of the part A's into one of the part B's, with the rectangular slots sticking out at opposite ends. Refer to the manual or pause the video here to find the proper length for your Jeep. Insert two 10mm quick release pins through the first and last corresponding holes on A and B to hold them together. Do the same thing with the other parts A and B. Part A will point towards the rear of the Jeep. Find your two part C's and insert them through the square holes at the ends of parts A and B. The open part of C should be facing up. Insert the two D parts into either side of the rear part C and use the 1/4 inch quick release pins to secure them in place, using the first hole on D. Insert the E parts into either side of the front part C and use the 1/4 inch quick release pins to secure them in place, using the first hole on E. Place the pulley blocks into parts A and B. Refer to the manual to find the proper position for your Jeep, or pause the video here and use this graphic to figure out where the pulleys go. Secure the pulley blocks with the 10mm quick release pins by placing them in the first and last holes of the pulley blocks. Slide 4 of the phone blocks over the D and E parts and position them against the C parts. Slide remaining foam blocks just past hooked edges on the E parts. We'll see you for step 2.